Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of Kit Conspiracy. We are still using the C'est La Vie and Summer Porch mashup kit that we uh, created and combined. There may still be some available in the shop down in the link down below. I'm not 100% sure at the time of the video or of voicing this. We're still available. So if you're interested, you can go check out the link there. I have two older photos. These are the companion page to yesterday's video, which these are from I want to say 69. These are my husband's grandparents on sitting on the porch at their place near Bird Lake or Lake Bird. I'm not sure which one it's called. Actually, I don't remember which one he told me. But either way, I thought they were perfect for the summer porch collection since they're sitting on a summer porch and there's lots of blues and reds in the photo and then some green. And then I thought I would just use some elements from the summer porch collection. I didn't use a whole lot of stuff from the C'est La Vie collection, but I feel like it all matches and goes well because yesterday's layout I used a little bit of the C'est La Vie collection because they were lake photos. Um, I believe this place is actually on the lake as well, but um, there's not a lot of water in the photo, so I just went with the land-looking pieces. I also really loved that tree with the swing. I thought that was super cute, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. I am going to use a piece of acrylic. I thought I'd use this piece that says relax, but the blue is not quite the right blue that I wanted. So I did find another piece that says grateful on it, which is what I end up using. The grateful piece is from Color Cast Designs. The relax piece is from Bramble Fox. They have both been in my stash for quite some time, and I'm happy to get them used up, but I'm quite sure they're probably not available any longer. These birds are from Bramble Fox. I'm going to use 3 of these white birds. I thought those were perfect for this collection and they tucked in nicely in my little clusters. And so just a mix of products on today's layout, and I'm really liking the way it looks. We do allow ourselves to bring in additional embellishments and scrap paper and then a little bit of cardstock as well. Although the only cardstock I usually use is white, black, and maybe some craft. So uh, yeah, I'm using the same Reads Like a Solid paper from the Summer Porch collection as I used yesterday. There were 2 sheets in our pack, and then the piece that I saved from my stripes in yesterday's video, I'm using on this layout to just have it kind of have a little bit of the same feel as yesterday's layout, even though they're not a double page, they are from the same event, and so it is a companion page. I am popping up these flowers onto a little bit of foam tape just to give a little bit of added dimension. While I do that, don't forget to go check out what MK's got going on her channel. I know she is doing some awesome things with this kit. We happen to be at a retreat and I saw at least one of her pages ahead of time, so I got a little sneak peek, and I can't wait to see how she finishes it out because I didn't get to see the finished product. So go and check out her channel as well because I know she's got something amazing for you. I'm using my distress tool just like I did yesterday to just rough up the edges of this blue paper. I did it after I've got it all assembled so that there isn't a lot of added dimension underneath my photos from roughing up the paper. The 49 and market paper is quite thick, and when you rough it up, it does add a little bit of dimension and a little bit of a bump behind whatever you put on top of it. So that's why I decided to do it secondarily after the photos and everything were put down. And then I am using this frame. I thought about putting something in the frame so I could do a little journaling inside of it, and then I decided, I like it just with the blue. I could still do a little journaling inside of it, and it doesn't really matter. It'll be right on the background. That's something that I'm comfortable with, even though I know not everybody is comfortable journaling right on their background. So, you know, if that's not your thing, you might want to do your journaling and then put on a separate sheet of paper and then fit it in behind that frame if that's where you would want to do it. If you're going to end up lifting this, just an idea for you. I am removing the backer off of these birds. They actually had a masking over the top as well. Most acrylic um, and wood veneer pieces have that kind on them, whether it's been removed or not when you get it. It's something to check for because it does protect the um, wood and the acrylic as it's being cut in the laser machines. So I'm liking the way that this is looking. Really like the piece that says grateful. I did leave the backer on that piece because I want it to be a little less transparent and not show all of the lines behind it. Now that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to like and subscribe. Um, and thank you so much for spending time with me today. I do really appreciate it. I hope you are enjoying the Kit Conspiracy series, and come back and see me again tomorrow for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.